Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and fix OBS Studio not streaming. There are a couple reasons why you could be facing this problem. So let's just get all of it out one by one. So first things first, simply go ahead into File Settings and go ahead into your stream settings and make sure that you are using your stream key correctly. So if your stream key is not correct, or if you reset your stream key, you can simply go ahead back into your dashboard and get back your stream key again. Or even you could go ahead and try to reset your stream key and then repaste it on your OBS in order for you to stream. If that is not the case, it could also be your output. Make sure that you're using NVENC. And then the second thing I want to tell you is make sure that your bitrate is on constant bitrate CBR, and then finally on bitrate it's on 10k kbs for me. However, you don't have to put it this high. If your internet is not that good, you can stream anywhere between 4500 to 5k and it will still look decent and watchable for your stream. And if any of that is not working, try checking your internet as well. It could be definitely your internet. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.